All right, let's go. Round number one, we're gonna do review and build. We're gonna start with the jab, cross first in your boxing stance. Work the 1-2. So the jab is here, the cross is there. Let's work this, the 1-2. Easy work. Hit the same divot with the jab and the cross. The 1-2. Now give me 10 seconds of the 1-2 non-stop. 3, 2, 1, go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good, on your toes. We're gonna work the 3, which is the lead hook, and the rear hook. 4, 3, 4. That lead hook is the 3. The rear hook is the 4. 3, 4. 3, 4. Again, that lead hook comes right to about here. Rear hook comes right to about here. Now speed, 10 seconds, medium pace, 3, 4. Five. Good, on your toes, move. Lead uppercut is 5. Rear uppercut is 6. Lead uppercut is 5. Rear uppercut is 6. Make sure that forearm is almost vertical in the bag. Scrape the bag, don't hit it. Unless you're experienced. If you're really experienced, which a lot of you are, you can give it a little shot. Five, 6. 5, 6. Now a little burst, 5, 6, 10, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, good. Now, we're gonna do a 1-6, jab, rear uppercut, go. 1-6, 1-6. Now a 2-5, 30 seconds to go. 2-5, cross, lead uppercut. When you do this uppercut, don't let this back foot lift off the ground. "15 seconds. One more. Now just work whatever you want. And time, 30 seconds, round number 2. All right, let's go. Round number 2, power punch finish. Here's your first combination will be a jab, cross, lead hook to the body. 1, 2, 3 body. That 3 to the body is all power. Let's go. The 1-2 is speed. The 3 to the body is power and speed. Move. Dig in. Hands come back up to position as soon as you're done. Move. Yes, work that. Now, I want you to come back up top with another power hook. 1, 2, 3 to the body, 3 to the head. So it's a pop, pop, power, power. Move. Move. That's right. One more. Strong. One more. Strong power. Now, inside, Hook to the body, hook to the body. The 1-2 is the power. Right there, okay? Hook to the body, hook to the body. Small step back in space. 1-2, ready? Let's go. Stay in position. Stay in position. Add in punches if you want, always. A 1-2 is power. Two more. One more. Move. Now to finish, we're gonna work a little tempo. A 1, 2, 3. You're gonna step as if nothing's gonna happen. Throw an overhand right and a lead uppercut. And move. Let's go. Move that overhand right in 3. Knockout power. Be really calm. And move. A few more. One more. That is round number 2. Working on power shot finishers. You can always add punches on when you feel it's necessary. 30 seconds and we'll finish strong. Let's go. Your final round, round number 3, footwork and fast hands. What I want you to do first is you're gonna step in with a 1, 2, step back out. Simply step back in, 1, 2, step back out. We're gonna do that for 30 seconds in 3, 2, 1, let's go. Move. I want fast hands with that 1, 2 with the step in. 30. Focus on the spot. Next up, you're gonna step left, throw any 2 punches, and then step back to the right. 30 seconds in 3, fast hand guys, 2, 1, let's go. Step back to the right. Stepping back to the right puts you back in position. Less than 10. Next up, step to the right. 30 seconds and 5. Come on guys. 4. 2 punches, step into the right. We're set over here. Let's go. Move. Yes. Excellent job, guys. Keep it up. Freestyle off the jab, which means you throw a jab and anything you want. Power, speed, footwork, slips, duck. Let's go. 10 seconds. Keep pushing on your toes. Off the cross, 30 seconds, which means throw the rear hand, power shot, work, 30 seconds. 3, 2, let's go. Ten seconds. Bounce. Final. Duck, step, and fire. Duck, step, and fire. Duck, step, and fire. In 3, 2, 1, let's go. Come on. 10 seconds. That is what I'm talking about.